ML frameworks, unlocking endless possibilities. Microsoft Azure machine learning frameworks are essential tools for building innovative machine learning models with ease. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a widely used ML framework known for its versatility and robustness. Learning TensorFlow can be faster than you think, thanks to its intuitive interface and comprehensive documentation. In India and abroad, the demand for TensorFlow experts is on the rise, offering lucrative job opportunities. TensorFlow experts can earn competitive salaries, ranging from several lakhs to crores per annum, depending on experience and expertise. While upskilling or exploring new horizons, ML frameworks like TensorFlow offer endless possibilities. Unlock your future with TechieHug.